driveway, kids. Can't hardly see out because of the snow on the windshield.
I know you don't care, but humor your mama.
Yeah, just humor me. Hopefully it's not. This is how my parents died. They wanted Waffle House. But it ain't looking like it. No, that's not clear.
That looks like it's on the cheap fucking eyes.
This does.
I believe this is on the cheap fucking eyes.
Here we go.
Here we go. This ain't the day. Oh yeah, that's definitely, that's not snow. It's on it.
No. Try stopping real quick before you go. See if you got traction.
I'll play this.
Okay, fine.
I don't believe
Trying not to make this fun.
I don't
I mean,
believe
if you did it right now, then we're just like a few feet from the house.
Yeah, I'll be off in that ditch over at Ralph and Janet's house. And then we gonna like hit the brakes. Off the co-pilot, they hit the damn brake.
I just want to see if we slide a little.
I just want to see if we crash and die. Just slam on my brake. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, we slide?
Yep.
Is that Slippy?
Yeah, it's a song she dies.
Yeah, we're geniuses.
Yeah, we're brilliant.
Oh, I hope there ain't nobody else. Oh, there's somebody coming.
Yep, of course.
Then you lights go.
Well, I was like my nose.
Oh, right here on this little